Chapter 3, Part 60. One day Jalal paid a visit to a great sheikh. He was received with the utmost respect and seated with the sheikh on the same carpet, both together falling into ecstatic heart communication with the world of spirits. A certain dervish was there present also, who had repeatedly performed the pilgrimage at Mecca. The dervish addressed Jalal and inquired, "What is poverty?" Jalal returned no answer, and the question was thrice repeated. When Jalal took his leave, the great sheikh accompanied him to the street door. On his return to his room, he reprimanded the dervish severely for his insolent intrusion on the guest. Especially, said the sheikh, as he fully answered thy question the first time thou puttest it. The dervish, surprised, asked what the answer had been. The poor man, said the sheikh, when he hath known God, hath his tongue tied. That is being a real dervish, when in the presence of saints speaks not, neither with the tongue nor with the heart. That is what is signified but by Al-Quran, Surah 46, ayat 28. Hold your peace, but now prepare thyself for thy end. Thou art struck by a shaft from heaven. 3 days later, the dervish was met by a gang of reprobates who attacked and killed him, carrying off everything he had about him. Salve back nas damim. And, well, see, one holds one's peace by, okay, there's no conflict. I don't have to engage myself in conflict. Well, I'm on Twitter, so, but you know, you're holding back in the presence the opinion of God and its messenger and the scholars and saintly ones before you. And then with that, you know, you can say something of your own, but not without regarding that first, right?